Hey guys, Jim, aka Nomadic Manhunter, here with an update from Hurricane Sandy. After that, still dealing with it in some towns, and I feel really bad um, for a lot of the people that still don't have a town to even go to, let alone a house. But we had a nor'easter last night, and we were only supposed to get 3 to 6 inches of rain, and they were saying snow up in the northwest part of like Pennsylvania and New Jersey, New York. Unfortunately, it snowed here too. And I was supposed to go get my my carrots out before the first freeze. So I guess I'm gonna go dig them out now. Out of the snow and out of the ground. I really hate snow. Let's go. So after we spent, a couple days cleaning up the yard and all, we got more trees that fell down. And I think that little hump over there might be my tent. So I'm not too sure. Probably is destroyed. Oh. Guess I'll be building an igloo since I can. Oh. My hammock survived. So anything else that didn't fall down from Sandy but was broken, it fell down now. Like, actually, that's kind of ridiculous. That was about 15 feet. It's mowed down. My blackberry bushes didn't really make it. It's over there. Pepper. These are kale, which still look pretty good. I'll dig those out, so I think they made it. But my corn, I'm sorry, my carrots, should have been right here. I actually had some flowering, I guess, and I was trying to see if they would seed out. But, they're buried. Alright, so I have Kaleidoscope. Well, that was eaten. Kaleidoscope, carrots that I tried. So, ground's just kind of frozen, just a tad, So I got this one. Woo! Got a couple. Short little guy, another one. One was eaten so far. This is the tiniest one that had the biggest leaf that I found so far. Oops. Another little carrot. Oh, look! Oh, looks like a... I hate the snow so much. That's why I'm moving to Florida, where I should be today. Literally. I was supposed to be down there. Or making my way to it. I'm gonna dig most of these other ones up. Oh yeah, I got this too. Well, I'll kind of chop the top off, but this thick stalk, hands are cold. This was flowering. Was trying to maybe still get some seeds out of it. I don't know. I don't really know anything about carrots. I'm learning as I go. A fig tree looks about right. Strawberries are over there. I'll get to those too. Gotta check on everything. Alright, so I cleared off the strawberries. They should make it. The blackberry bushes are I'm gonna leave covered because they got thorns all over them, and I mean, if it happens in nature, right, it should survive. We'll try. The kale, I I uncovered. So that should be alright. And then I got about 14 tiny to big, medium size carrots. So for like a test trial year in my little garden, I mean, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I'll make some stew out of it, try to stay warm. Alright, so I cleaned them up a little bit, and here, my nice test trial of carrots. This one turned out being a carrot, but I don't think I'm going to really be eating this one. This is probably my favorite, just because it's different. This one's weird, because two grew around it. This is my biggest. And these are mainly kaleidoscope, so they're different colors. They taste good. And I'm just going to trim up the tops a little bit. Juice the tops. Put these into stew or, you know, whatever. Bake them or something. I don't know. Whatever the house wants to do. But I'm happy. Good little test trial. I'm happy about it. So please subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want. And show me your carrots for this year if you had any. Or let me know if you had any tricks to make them actually bigger. I don't really know. Like I said, I kind of just put these in there with barely any water this summer. This growing season. And that's what I got. So, not big, but like I said, it's a test trial, and it's better than nothing. Have a great day, guys. Well, seeing how it snowed and all, and I grew carrots, why not? Got a little mohawk. Now it's traditional. What's up? Jersey Central Power and Light, but we have Alabama running around putting our power back on, which is great. So there's my awesome snowman.